Module 19.2, Day 1. Angles in inscribed quadrilaterals. Content standard. Construct inscribed and circumscribed angles, a circle of a triangle, and prove properties of angles for a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. Language objective. Work with a small group to decide whether statements about inscribed quadrilateral are true or false. Proving the inscribed quadrilateral theorem. The result from the explorer can be formalized in the inscribed quadrilateral theorem. Inscribed quadrilateral theorem. If a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, then its opposite angles are supplementary. So we have learned that supplementary is 180 degrees. So here it's saying that the measurement of angle D plus the measurement of angle B is equal to 180 degrees, and the measurement of angle A plus the measurement of angle C is 180 degrees. Okay, so then these two angles, the sum is 180, and these two angles, the sum is 180. Right? Okay, so let's go through the proof. Okay, so instead of prove the inscribed quadrilateral theorem, given that quadrilateral ABCD is inscribed in a circle O, prove angle A and angle C are supplementary, and angle B and angle D are supplementary. Step 1. The union of arc BCD and arc DAB in a circle. There. So we're looking for arc BCD. So BCD is this arc, and arc DAB is this arc. So they form a circle, so the sum of those two is 360 degrees. And step 2, angle A. So let's redraw the diagram again. Right? So we have this is B, C, D, and A, and this is the circle O. So we see that angle A is inscribed angle and intercept the arc. So that's angle A, so intercept the arc B, C, D, and angle C is an inscribed angle, and its intercepted arc is DAB. By the inscribed angle theorem, angle A is 1/2 of the arc BCD, and angle C is 1/2 of the arc DAB. So step 3, angle A plus angle C, by substitution, A is 1/2 of BCD, and C is 1/2 of DAB. So we can factor out the 1/2. So this is the arc BCD plus the arc DAB. So we have from step 1, we see that BCD and BAD is 360 degrees. So half of 360 is 180. Right? And we said 180 is supplementary. Right? So angle A and angle C are supplementary by the definition of supplementary. Similarly, reasoning showed that angle B and angle D are also supplementary. Okay, so let's use what we know there, right? So find the angle measure for each inscribed quadrilateral. So here we're given that we have a quadrilateral PQRS, solve for Y. So we know that these two angles are the sum is 180. So we said 5y plus 3 plus 15y plus 17 is equal to 180 degrees. And now using combining like terms, so we have 20y plus 20 equal to 180. 20y equal to 160. So to solve it, 160 divided by 20. So then y is equal to 8 degrees. Right, so then to find the measurement for each, so then angle P equal to 5 times 8 plus 3, so this is 43 degree, and angle Q is equal to 8 squared plus 53, so then will be 64 plus 53, so that's 117 degree, and angle R is equal to 15 times 8 plus 17. So 15 times 8 plus 17 be 137 degree, and angle S. Well, so we know all three angles, so then S would be, you take 360 degree minus 43 minus 117 and minus 137. .360 minus 43 minus 17 minus 137, so S is 63 degree. Okay, let's go on to number part B, solve for X. Right, so we're looking for these two, so the sum is 180, so we said 6x minus 15 plus 39 plus 7x equal to 180. Okay, now combining like terms, so we have 13x and 39 minus 15 give us 24 equal to 180. So then 13x equal to 180 minus 24. So x is 12 degree. Right, and then from there we can go back and solve for each angle. So say angle J is equal to 39 plus 7 times 12. So then J is 123 degree, and angle K equal to 20 times 12 divided by 3. So this is 80 degree, and angle L equal to 6 times 12 minus 15. So then it's 57 degree, and angle M is 360 minus 123 minus 80 minus 57. Would be 100 degree. Right. Okay, so then that's take care of this slides. Let's go on to our next one. Okay, now your turn. Find the measure for each angle of the inscribed quadrilateral TUVW. Right, so using these two to solve for Z first. So we said 37 Okay, so from there we can solve for the measurement of angle W Okay, so here is another shortcut we can use, right? So given that t is 115, we need to solve for v. Well, we know that these two are supplementary, so we can say that v equal to 180 minus 115. Right? So it will be 65 degrees. Okay, so let's try these. So now for this one, we need to draw our own quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. Right? So we have, see that we have a circle. We call this point A, B, C, and D. And we're given that angle A is 53 degrees and angle B is 82 degrees. Right? To solve for C, well, these two are supplementary, so let me take 180 minus 53. So this is 127 degrees. Right, to solve for D, so then these two are supplementary, so it's 180 minus 82. So this is 98 degrees. Right, so similarly, we can do the same thing for number 2. Right, so we draw our, so then R, S, T, and U. We're given that S is 104 and T is 55. So then R is 180 minus 55. So it'll be 125 degrees. And angle U is 180 minus 104. So U is 76 degrees. Right? Okay, and we can do the same thing for number 3. Right? So let me do 3 up here. So we're given that JKL, J, K, L, and M. And we're given that J is 90 degrees, and angle K and angle M are congruent. So these two are congruent. Well, then these two are supplementary, so L is also 90 degrees. Right? And then these two are supplementary, so that means that it's 180. They're congruent, you divide by 2, so it's also 90 degrees. So M is also 90. Right? Okay, so let's try these. Determine whether each quadrilateral can be inscribed in a circle. If it cannot, determine say so. Remember that in order for them to be inscribed in a circle, these two must be the sum of 180. Right? So we take 118 plus 62, so it is 180, and this is 107. 180 minus 107, so this is be 73 degrees, so the answer is yes. Right. Okay, let's try number 5. Okay, so this is 124, and that's That's 90. So then 124 plus 90. So there will be 214 degrees and exceed and is greater than 180 degrees. So the answer is no. Right. Okay, let's go on to number 6. And we're given that these two lines are parallel, right? So that means that this angle and this angle are supplementary. And we're given that these two are congruent as well. Okay, so let's 180 minus 63, give it, so this is 117. And then these two lines are congruent, so this is also 63, and this is 117. So the sum of these two is 180, and sum of these two is 180, so this answer is yes. Right, and for numbers 7, this is 90, that's 90, the sum of these two is 180, so the answer is yes. Right, so that's the end of our 19.2 Day 1 notes. Your assignment is number 1 through 7 all in your textbook, and you have your new HRW, and you have copy down notes for 19.2 Day 2.